Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy. Behind the camera is Michael. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hey.
And this little thing here is my kitchen, and you can see my dogs licking the floor because they love it. Look at that one. Look at that one. I'm just trying to get this, and look at the other one. Come on, Teddy boy. See? These are my boys. Those are my babies. So anyways, today I want to make some oxtails. These are beef oxtails.
All right.
So what I'm going to do with them, I'm going to take them out of the package. You can see $11.59. I don't know why they're so expensive, but they're delicious and they're very high in protein. So what I'm going to do is, oh, look at this one. Is this one?
Protein
That's a
pack.
big one. That's one.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, they have big ones like that. 6, 7.
So where does oxtail come from? An ox?
And 9. No, from the cow. That's the tail of the cow.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the tail. Yeah.
Cow
like in
tail,
Dominican
guys.
Republic, in Jamaica, in Puerto Rico, in Cuba, in the islands, in which is the Caribbean, what I'm just talking about. That's where, and now I'm going to wash them.
Giving them a rinse?
Give them a rinse with cold water.
Rinse it up, rinse it up.
So this one, lady, you're going to see me eating this because you just like, you know, go on that.
That's right.
But, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to season them with salt, pepper, oregano, salt, garlic, let me see what else. And that's all I'm going to put, and then I'm going to put them in a pan, okay? I just wanted you guys to see me rinsing them off, and then later you guys are going to see me. I'm going to put all the seasonings, and without me, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to season this, but what we're going to do, I'm going to go, because I wanted you guys, I'm going to rinse them off and tell you guys we're going to make oxtails and everything, but I wanted to talk to everybody about what happened with YouTube, how they want us to have 4,000 hours of view time. So what's going to happen now, we almost have 2,000 hours, Michael, or something like that?
A little bit over 1,000.
Over 1,000. So that took us, because we haven't even been a year with our channel open. So
9 months.
I don't know why they're doing that. It's not fair. It's not fair for all the little channels like us, you know. But what they want to do is they're going to give us and everybody else that has less than 4,000 hours. What they're going to do is they're going to demonetize us come February 20th if we don't have the 4,000 hours. So what I'm asking everybody is if you guys can please watch our videos, because I would like to so much to get to that 4,000 hours. But it's going to be a very hard project to do. And I don't know what they're trying to do, but it's not fair. But I'm going to continue, you know, with my channel because this is what I love to do. I'm trying to teach people how to, you know, we were starting to get a little bit of money in our account. Now none, because they're going to take it away. I mean, I don't know what they're thinking. It's like they want us all to be poor, you know, put us in the poorhouse. But it doesn't matter. I'm going to keep on working hard at it. And with hard
that's
work
right.
and desire.
We'll get those 4,000 hours.
And if we don't, then we're going to continue.
We are going to get those 4,000 hours.
And
hard work.
You know, I mean, it's like God puts you things in the middle, little things, so you get to see how you deal with problem and to see how you're gonna, like, you know, confront things in life. That's what happens. Is but you know what? That ain't nothing. We're gonna go over that and we're gonna beat this and we're gonna do good. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna let you guys go. But before I let you guys go, when we come back and Michael starts recording again, we're going back to the oxtails. What I'm going to do is, you guys are going to see me putting all the seasoning in without me speaking. And then you guys are going to see me putting everything inside the pan.
Bam,
because
just
they're
like
gonna
that.
have to cook. I'm going to have to cook them like for an hour and a half, 2 hours after I brown them and everything. You guys are going to see me. So they can get soft because oxtails, they're really hard. So they have to like
soften up
cook for a while, like an hour and a half, 2 hours on very, very low flame. But anyway, with that, I'm going to let you guys go, and then we're going to come back, and we're going to start this. You're going to see me how to make it. I want you guys to learn how to do it. But I want you guys to subscribe to our channel, please, and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on what else we have, Michael?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. We're everywhere. So wherever you
Twitter,
see us,
Instagram,
click,
Facebook, Google
Michael
Plus.
Go ahead, Michael.
Follow us, follow us.
Follow us, and we love you. And I'll see you later till we can continue this beautiful beef oxtail in Cindy's kitchen. Be good. So welcome. So we're going to make the oxtail. That's a little bit of vegetable oil that I put in there. I put 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil and some brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. These are my oxtail, so I lower it to 5. but they're so big, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna have to cut those. Look at that. Oh wow. So these are my oxtails. We're gonna put them in here. Because this is what we do with oxtails, right? I'm gonna brown them real fast on both sides. There you go. See that?
Wow. Already?
Yeah. Yeah, well, but they're gonna take a long time to cook.
Oh.
That's the only thing. Yeah. So you see, they're brown with the sugar. See, and I'm gonna leave it on high because I want all around to get brown. You know. And what I did was I put a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of pepper, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of oregano. Okay. So far, this is all we need. See how it's getting brown, Mike? All of it. Okay. So yeah, that's what's up. Turn this one, and then okay. So then, how this is gonna cook is, guys. Okay. So it's brown all over. You see all of it is brown, Mike?
Oh yeah.
All of it is brown, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put water in here.
Water up, water up.
And we're gonna use also,
What are we using?
2 hunts tomato sauce.
All right.
And I don't have any beef bouillon, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a couple of chicken bouillons because it works almost the same. Just because it has all the seasoning, and this is a very chewy meat, so it needs, you see?
It needs a bullion.
No, it needs the bouillon, gives it all the good seasoning. But I'm not gonna put it in there, guys. I'm gonna lower this. Use the bouillons. What I'm gonna do with the bouillons, 2 of them. You see that water that I put? Where I had the meat seasoned, and that's like garlic from the seasoning in the bottom. Okay, this is where I had the oxtails and I put seasoning, the salt with the pepper and the garlic and the oregano. Okay.
All right.
I'm gonna put 2 chicken bouillons in there.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna open. I can't see this. And then I'm gonna open these.
Open it up, open it up. That works.
Yeah, I guess so. And then we're gonna throw that in there, inside that water. Ooh. And we're gonna do the same thing with the other one, because we're gonna need, you know. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna throw it in there. Later, we're gonna put a little bit of cumin, a little bit of chili powder, and tomato sauce. I'm just gonna put a little bit of water in there, like that. Move it around. Okay, put this in the garbage. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, you see that?
Oh yeah.
Do you guys see that?
Delicious oxtail.
See that?
Also known as cowtail.
See that, Mike? Look. Michael's like, yeah, Mom. Look at that. Look. Brown. Right, Mike?
Smells delicious.
It's hot. You don't even understand. Now, I'm going to cover this with my lid. And as I go, I'm going to take one of these now. What happened?
Huh?
Junior, I'm recording, bud. So I'm going to go now. So what I'm going to do, like every 10, 15 minutes, I'm going to put it on 4 so it can sweat and it can all that very slowly. And when it's very dry, then I'm going to go like this with the sauce and put it on the top. And you'll see what I'm doing. So before we go, there's one more thing that we got to do. We're going to put 2 of these Sazon Goya con culantro y en achiote, okay?
All right.
This Sazon Goya, they sell it everywhere. We're not going to put it in there. We're going to put it in here.
All right.
Remember?
Yeah.
And you know what we got to put in here too, Michael? Let's
put
put all the seasoning before we go.
Season up, season
vinegar.
up. Vinegar, check.
So we're going to put 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon.
A whole tablespoon of apple cider vinegar.
Not half or a quarter. 1
Yes.
whole
And then
tablespoon.
we're going to put a little bit of cumin.
Yes.
Here's the cumin. So I'm just going to take this knife. That's like a little bit like this. This is like a 1/4 teaspoon.
All right.
This is very strong. Cumin is very strong, so you don't want to put a lot.
I think that's what they put in the salsa when we got that food last week.
I have some adobo seasoning, Goya. because oxtails require a lot of seasoning. A lot, and I just put a whole bunch up there. That's 2 tablespoons of Sazon Goya. And then that's it, guys. And then let's put a little bit of chili powder.
All
my
right.
chili powder in there. Like that. You see that? 1 other tablespoon of chili powder. And we have our real onions for this. So now I'm going to go with this like this, you see? And before we go, I'm going to put a little bit in there so you guys can see the drill. So every 10-15 minutes. Okay, look, it's on 3. You see how they're cooking? And it looks like they're sticking, but they're not, Mike, see?
No, they're not. No, they're not. That shit is really good.
If you like, you'll see. But we're going to do a video later also, guys, before I forget. Come right here, Michael. I'm going to do a video eating the oxtails.
Yep, a new playlist.
And you guys are going to see me eating those oxtails. I'm going to tell you how good they are. I'm going to lick my fingers. We're going to talk. We're going to have a great time. So anyway, now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to close this, like that. Okay? I'm going to take a little bit of this. You see that? And we're going to put... And we're going to close it. And we're gonna let that cook like for 2 hours, but we gotta keep an eye on it, keep an eye on it, keep an eye on it. So now I'm gonna go, and when we come back, you guys are gonna see me taking it out. But in the meanwhile, Michael's gonna be throwing little videos inside with the filming of this.
Oh yes.
So you guys can see what we're going through. We put the sauce, we put this in a little bit of cilantro that I'm gonna take later out of the fridge. We're gonna add up on there, and that's gonna be it. So with that, I'm gonna let you go, and you guys will. I'll see you guys when all this is done later, like in an hour and a half. It is 2:25 p.m. on Friday, the 18th of January, 2018. And with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. Press the notification button. I think we're gonna be opening a channel on Pinterest, right, Michael?
Yeah. Oh, we have our Patreon.
And we have a Patreon account. Please look us there if you guys want to donate $1. Even if you guys want to, well, the least is $1, Michael.
$1.
If I can get $1 from everybody, from all my fans, will be good. It's just, you know, because of what YouTube is doing, like I explained before. This is a problem because then, you know what I'm saying? I mean, they're just cutting us off. Now we got to do 4,000 hours. I mean, come on, you know. But anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see you later so we can enjoy this delicious oxtail. Now, oxtail, and I love you. Bye. Let me go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put all this sauce in there. I said I wasn't, but I am because I have to do other stuff. And then I'm just going to, you see, so I'm going to fill it up like that. See? That is that chicken bullion and everything is in there. Right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
And I'm going to put, I cut 1 red onion and half a jalapeno and a quarter of a green pepper. That's what you see there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put all that in there like that. Right, Mike?
Oh yeah. Mix it up.
I put 1 red onion, half a jalapeno, and a quarter of a green pepper in there. And we did put oregano already, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it like this. Because I need this, you know what? That's not going to be enough to cover, so I'm going to put another piece. Right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
And put another piece of foil paper on the other side, like that. Oh, jeez. Hold on. I know, sometimes stupid things like this happen, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
I don't know why. It's so not right. Okay. So we're gonna cover it like that. We're gonna put the lid on. See? I don't want any vapor or nothing coming out. And I'm gonna put it in the back here. We're gonna put the lid on it. Like that, right, Mike? And we're gonna put it on 4. And this is gonna cook for a couple of hours. When we open it, it should be done. And I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. An hour and a half. So I'm just gonna open. I had it in the back.
Open up,
Put
open
it to the
up.
front with this big old fork. Because I think I just wanna, like, you know, you gotta try. Yeah, you see how that is?
Wow.
Yeah, that has still to cook.
Softening up?
Yeah, they're softening, but they're not done yet.
Guys, the smell. Wish you had
Oh
smell-o-vision.
yeah, the smell is delicious.
Smells like oniony, peppery.
Oh, I'm gonna eat. Look, I'm gonna eat those 3 big ones.
Ooh.
3, 4, 5. I'm gonna take just one of these because I want to taste one.
Oh yeah.
Of course, with a little bit of sauce, but I'm gonna close this again.
How's it taste? It smells spicy.
Delicious.
I love it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'll finish putting on a little bit more of salt and pepper right at the end. It really doesn't need any. Oh, look at Ginger. Ginger, what are you doing, Mommy? Okay, hold on a second. I know you're not gonna eat no.
I think they can
oxtail,
smell
right?
that cow tail.
Huh? Yeah.
The dogs can smell cow tail.
Oxtail, cow's tail. It's oxtail, it's cow's tail. It's just a little one, but anyway, we'll be back. I don't think they're done yet. They look. Oh my God, this is gonna be so good. Oh, it's gonna be the best day of my life. Let me tell you. Oh. But anyway, guys, look. This is how you hold it, like one finger on one side. It's very hot, right? And then you're like. You attach the meat when you do pour it back in. A lot of people put olive oils because they use it instead of the vinegar. They like to splash the water of the olives, but I like my apple cider vinegar.
Me too.
I'll see you soon when we come back. I'm going to be serving this with some salads or maybe a bollo plátano or something. It's going to be delicious. Love you. See you soon. So this is what it looks like, guys. I'm trying to take it out. I boiled myself a plátano. Don't get scared or anything because it's a plátano. When it's boiled like that, just with water, they look like that.
Beautiful.
Healthy. And look at these oxtails. Oh my God, Michael, you don't understand. I'm going to eat this. So good. So I just want you guys to see. Let me leave a couple of them there for later, you know. Let me put more sauce. And then Michael's going to take some pictures so we can put them up. Right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
And I'm going to have a surprise for you. I'm going to be eating these. And right after this, we're going to have another video. And I want you guys to come and join me after this. Or when you see me, just click. Because a lot of people have never had oxtails. And these are delicious, let me tell you. So anyways, hey, up here. Don't forget to subscribe. Watch us on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget to press the notification button. Don't forget to
click that link down below, guys, for Patreon.
For Patreon, okay. Michael knows more.
Donate $1,
and if you can please donate $1, that will help us a lot. If each person donates $1, that will help us a lot. I hope everybody knows what's going on with the 4,000 hour time view that you need versus, what was it, 2,000, Michael?
Yeah, no, it was 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers.
And 1,000 subscribers. We already have the subscriber. Thanks to all you followers. We love you
Thank you, guys.
And but if it would have been for you guys, for the subscribers, you know, it would have been worse. But we're gonna continue. We're gonna work hard.
Oh yeah, very hard. We got this.
And don't forget to subscribe. Don't drink and drive. And see you later. I'm gonna go eat me some